Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. I have a lot of gifts here. So my birthday was on 7th December and I really wanted to make this video what I got for my 25th birthday. I think I made this long back on my 21st or 22nd birthday. I don't actually remember, but I know for a fact that these videos are very helpful in a way that you will get some ideas as to what you can give to your friends or family. So yes, if you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Also, I'm really sorry about the noise. Bahar construction ho rahi hai. I really can't do anything about it. And also a disclaimer that I'm not trying to brag at all. Isko bilkul bragging video mat samajhna. So let's just dive straight into this in no particular order. जो मेरे हाथ में आता रहेगा मैं दिखाती रहूंगी. I think I'm not gonna take names as to who gave me what. Now first up, I received this iPad ka case. Now a friend of mine visited me and I was saying that I really want a new iPad case क्योंकि मेरा जो पुराने वाला था वो खराब हो गया था. And he ordered this one. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I had a pink one before this and I really wanted a black one now क्योंकि अब मैं थोड़ी शायद से muted हो चुकी हूँ, but clearly not because my birthday party was all pink. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this cover. It's so good quality and it has this magnetic thing, so वो खुद से ऑन हो जाता है. Also the best part is जो मेरा पहले वाला कवर था ना उसमें यहाँ पर था ये पेंसिल का केस, तो मुझे पेंसिल निकाल के फिर चार्ज करना पड़ता था यहाँ पे. बट इधर सिंस द चार्जर इज हियर ओनली, ये साथ साथ चार्ज होता रहता है एंड मुझे अलग से निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है कवर को. सो या आई love it. Then next up I received this huge box from Wishling. Now this one I didn't know at all कि ऐसा कुछ भी आने वाला है, but I was so surprised and absolutely love everything that we have inside. First up I have a birthday card. Then I have a manifestation journal. I love this one and the personalization here has my heart. And then we have this Pinteresty tumbler and this cute little candle. Thank you Wishling for this. Now when it comes to my father, he paid my Zara ka bill. I was ordering something and I was like, you might as well pay for this. So I got a pair of heels. These are so beautiful. I have these beige pair of high heels. Now I don't really wear high heels because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होता है पैरों में, but beige heels मुझे चाहिए थी बहुत टाइम से. Love this one so freaking much. The pointed toes and the ankle straps, they are so chic. And the next thing is this Zara perfume. It's Gardenia. Now my sister had like a 30 ml or a 100 ml bottle with her and I absolutely loved it. I remember last time मैंने वो बहुत ज़्यादा use किया है, so I got like a 180 ml bottle. This is what it looks like. It is so good. It's floral. It's a little fruity. It's sweet. I love it. Like I am really bad at explaining fragrances, but this one has my heart. Okay, that being said, my mother ordered my Amazon cart. Now whatever I had in my Amazon cart, she ordered it for me. It was more like a need wala thing because it had my Cetaphil ka moisturizer and cleanser, sabki badi bottles. So that's that. And then I had some random bits and pieces here and there. For example, that Mars ka primer I got, and then I got some phone accessories. So whatever I had in my Amazon cart, my mother ordered that for me, which is so thoughtful because if you see, I don't actually need anything. मतलब ये सब भी वो wants वाली चीज ही हो गई. वो was a need for sure. Now when it comes to my sister, she again paid for my Victoria's Secret order and I clearly got a bunch of things. First up I got this Bare Vanilla body mist and body lotion. You guys, this is so good. मतलब अगर आपको Gourmand vanilla type की fragrances पसंद है, you should definitely get this duo. Then I have this Velvet Petals वाला duo. Now इसके body lotion में shimmer है, मतलब बिना shimmer वाला भी होता है और shimmer वाला भी. So I got the one with shimmer and I used it on my birthday. I was shining like a ball, like a disco ball. So yeah, that's that. And lastly I got this coconut body lotion. I won't lie, but I got it for the packaging, but it smells so good. It is so hydrating. So yeah, I love this one. This damn bouquet, you guys, it has 250 roses. Can you believe that? It was so big. अभी थोड़ा सा shrink हो चुका है. आज I think 12th है. हाँ 12th है. मेरे को 7th को मिला था. But you can still see it looks so good. You guys, it's so heavy. It has 250 freaking flowers and this is insane. This is literally insane. I absolutely love it and I'm gonna adore it जब तक भी ये जिंदा रहता है and even after that. So yeah, this one is that. Next up, I got this Titan watch, you guys. I am in love with it. Now, I have this one Fossil watch. I used to wear my silver Sonata wali watch since so long. Like 11th class से I think मैंने वो जब तक मैंने ये लिया, पिछले साल मैंने आई थिंक ये लिया है, उससे पहले तक मैं वही पहनती थी. आई एम नॉट समबडी हु वुड चेंज वॉचेस या फिर जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे शौक है अलग अलग पहनने का. मैं एक लेती हूँ, मैं उस पर ही टिकी रहती हूँ. तो दैट्स दैट. बट आई हैव अ गोल्डन वॉच. आई रियली वॉन्टेड वन फ्रॉम कैसियो, उसका सिल्वर वाला, एंड अ रोज गोल्ड वन, कि तीनों ही मेटल्स में मेरे पास हो. एंड आई रिसीव्ड दिस वन फ्रॉम टाइटन. I am shook because this is so stunning. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. I cannot even. It has like a lavender dial and then this rose gold strap situation. I love it. I absolutely love it. Size of the dial is so perfect. ये मेरी कलाई पे बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. Okay, then I got a pair of brown boots. Now I won't lie, इसका लिंक तो मैंने ही भेजा था. And this is what I'm talking about. These boots are from Mango. You guys, ये मेरे ना विश लिस्ट में आई थिंक 2-1 साल से हैं. फॉर सम रीजन मैं इन्हें खरीद ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. कभी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक होता है, कभी मेरे को लगता है बहुत महंगे हैं या कुछ भी. बट आई वॉज लाइक दिस इज द परफेक्ट ओकेजन एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट टाइम व्हेन आई कैन गेट देम. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक नाउ. इस पर बहुत मिक्स्ड ओपिनियन है लोगों के, मतलब उन्हें पसंद ही नहीं है. They think कि I can style it because I have that style. I can like pull this off. But in general, the boots in itself ये ज़्यादा सुंदर नहीं है, उन्हें ऐसा लगता है. But I disagree. Okay, then Nancy, my cousin, gifted me a white trolley for my room. Now I wanted this trolley for a long time. और उसने मेरे को ये पहले ही गिफ्ट कर दी थी क्योंकि मैंने खुद से ही मांग लिया था. Because हम लोगों में ये ऐसे है कि हम तो बता देते हैं. मैंने ऐसे कॉर्नर पे लगा रखी है. I'll put a picture here. So I use it for all my PRs and like all my parcels. I keep it there. जब भी काम हो जाता है तो वो अपनी रिस्पेक्टिव जगह पे चले जाते हैं. But when they come in, they always sit there. So yeah, it has really helped me organize my life. So that's that. She also got me these stickers on my birthday party. Now it has Chavi's 25th written over it. Now these we were supposed to put on the glasses and we did. They were looking so good. The moment I saw it, I was like, dude, this is so good, so thoughtful. You know, things like this really make me happy because इसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है कुछ भी, but just the thought really matters कि she knew that I would love it. Okay, then my friend Dilip gifted me a bouquet and a cake which was so good. It was white, it was so yummy and the bouquet so beautiful. वो मैंने उसको bouquet में से निकाल के संजना ने यहाँ पे place कर दिया है and they look stunning to say the least. So thanks for that. Again, one of my friends gifted me a bouquet and उसके flowers से संजना ने यहाँ पे लगा लिए हैं. मुझे literally इनके नाम नहीं पता. ये डेजी हैं बस मुझे पता है. But stunning bouquet. And he also gifted me this very good perfume from Fernweh. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Do you see that? These are real flowers. Also, it's not a perfume, it's a perfume oil, so it's very concentrated. हाँ, I love this so much. ये बहुत ही nostalgic है. पता नहीं कोई तो लोशन पहले होता था which is so good. मतलब I absolutely love it. Again, one of the examples कि मैं बिल्कुल भी explain नहीं कर पा रही हूँ इसको, but ये floral है obviously. Okay, then I got again one of my absolute favorites, and this also I had in my wish list for some reason. The cup set. You guys, this is so cute. It looks like a flower. I cannot wait to use it. Then Adya gifted me these chocolates जो बहुत सारी खत्म हो चुकी हैं, but this is what I'm left with. Thank you for this. I love Ferrero Rocher and you can never go wrong with this. And if you ask me what I've given to myself, I think this birthday party that I did. Okay, about myself a little. I like being around people. I like the concept of throwing like a birthday party, but I'm also very socially anxious, and yes, these both things can coexist. मुझे भी नहीं पता था, but वो बहुत हिम्मत करके, मतलब my friends and my sisters were like कि हाँ you should definitely do it. I am somebody, अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ प्लान भी करूँगी ना तो मैं लास्ट मोमेंट पे उसको कैंसिल कर दूँगी, या even I'm somebody जो दूसरे की पार्टी में बोल देगी कि ठीक है I'll come and then last moment तक I'll be like यार मेरे को नहीं जाना because मुझे बहुत anxiety हो रही है. So this was a very big step that I took because I had 10-11 people around me to celebrate my birthday. It's such a big thing because all these people are here just for you. That you know that thought in itself is so heavy. So yeah, I think that is something I gifted to myself, this hosting this birthday party. And I think I also gifted myself a pixie blush that I wanted for a very long time, and it was my birthday, so I was like, forget it, I'll just get this. Yeah, that is it. That is all that I got on my birthday, and I'm sure I'm gonna receive more gifts because I'm yet to meet a lot of my friends. Let me know how you guys liked it, and I will meet you guys in my next video very soon. Until then, goodbye. Also, I think you should also gift me something by subscribing my channel. Okay, bye.